dirty waters don't stop plants from growing, so don't let negative words stop your progress. Motivate yourself to become better every day. Be happy for this moment. This moment is your life. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. As long as you know who you are and what makes you happy, it doesn't matter how others see you. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Don't let the bad days make you think you have a bad life. Learn how to be strong alone.